Things we read in Arabic, yalla. So first I'm going to give you guys the dialect pronunciation of these words, and then the same words in Modern Standard Arabic MSA. If you don't know the difference, make sure to check out the free mini course. Book, kitab, story, issa. Notice how here the qaf changes to a glottal stop in dialect. Magazine, majalle, article, maqal, newspaper, jaride. Now same words in MSA. Book, kitab, story, qissa, magazine, majalla, same word but we're ending in an a. Article, maqal, newspaper, jarida, or sahifa. Let me know what other words you guys can think of. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.